Chicken is nice and soft. Try some potato. Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make Burmese chicken curry. Very simple. I have all the ingredients here. So first of all, I've heated my pot and I'm going to add some oil and swish it around. And then I'm going to add some minced ginger. And some minced garlic. And just saute that a little bit. You can smell it, it's bubbling here. And now I'm going to add onions. Some diced onions. Burmese always cook with ginger, garlic, turmeric, paprika, and different kinds of spices. Okay, onions are just about ready. You want it kind of translucent. And I'm just adding a little water so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And I can add water as I go along, because when I put the spices, it'll probably dry up too. Okay, now I'm adding the spices. Some turmeric, which makes it, the turmeric and paprika give the curry a nice color. Some chili flakes, some paprika, and some garam masala. Okay, now we stir this all up. I add some salt and a little water because again it's kind of drying up. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken. I have a whole chicken that I cut up into pieces and just dump it in. Oops. Okay, now we're going to mix it all up. Okay, you can see the chicken is all being coated by the spices and the onions. And I'm going to mix this up real good. Oh, I've added a little bit more water. Now it's mixed up really good. Now I'm just going to bring it to a boil. Now the chicken has been cooking for 20 minutes and you can see it already looks and smells really good. How nice the color is. Nice and red and all the chickens mixed up together. So now I'm going to pour in some potatoes. And you don't want to put it in at the beginning because it'll get all soggy. So it might need a little bit more water because I don't want it to burn and dry up. But you put it in like you would a stew. Okay. So just mix it up, get the potatoes all coated with the juice. And then I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are done, and that'll be it. Very simple. Something you all can do at home. And the color is really nice and red. Okay, the curry is done. Oh, it looks good. So, okay, you see how nice this is? The potatoes are perfectly done. And the chicken is in there, so I'm gonna scoop me some curry. Okay, I'm gonna put this on a plate and let's see how it tastes. It really smells good. Get some of the gravy. Okay, have some nice hot rice with it too. So let's taste it. Now you can serve this with chapati, which is a Indian type of bread, which is similar to tortilla made with whole wheat. Or they also make it where they put it in oil and then it puffs up. And that's really good too, but I didn't have time to do that today. Chicken is nice and soft. Try some potato. And the gravy, of course, is really good with rice. Really, really good. Not too hot. And all the spices are combined. You would probably have a hard time figuring out what spices are in here. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe because it helps my channel. And don't forget to click that bell so that you can be notified whenever we make good videos like this one. Mahalo, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video. You want some curry now?